Worried about running out of things to talk about? Secret number 3, Google and YouTube gives you totally endless topics that your ideal audience craves. You just need to switch up how you use Google and YouTube. First, decide on a popular topic within your niche that you can teach. Example, video marketing. Now, log into YouTube and use the simple YouTube alphabet or YT A through Z formula. So go on over to YouTube and place your video topic as a prefix into the search bar, and before pressing return, allow YouTube to auto-populate for you the other popular searches. In this example, you'll notice video marketing is the one listed at the top. However, here are a few other topics that really stuck out to me that YouTube auto-populated that I could create videos around. Video marketing for business, video marketing tutorial, video marketing strategy, video marketing tips, video marketing 2020, video marketing solution. And these were all without using a letter after the main topic search. So once you're done capturing the first several without adding a letter at the end, move forward through the alphabet by placing each letter right after your main topic. For example, video marketing A, press return, see what populates, write them down. Video marketing B, press return, see what comes up, write them down. On and on and on through the whole entire alphabet. And within 5 minutes, just using the simple YouTube alphabet or YT A through Z method, you can find over a year's worth of topics to allow you to create what I call craveable content for your audience like crazy. Now, using a similar process, we're going to do the same thing with Google. But with Google, just know that they don't just auto-populate below the search bar. They also populate in 2 other places for each search. If you scroll down slightly from the top of the page, you should see a little box that highlights other questions people also ask. This will give you about 4 to 5 more topics for your videos. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice a box highlighting other searches relating to the topic you just searched. And in less than 10 minutes now, you have at least a few years worth of topics to keep you creating video content like crazy, to always keep your brand and business top of mind when it comes to making a buying decision. So tomorrow's secret is the best one yet, where I teach you my video scripting formula so you can quickly and easily build craveable content to quench your ideal audience's thirst. So be on the lookout for it. It's in your inbox and it's juicy. And if you haven't yet booked your free content clarity call, get it done. I'm here, I'm waiting, and I want to help you. So consider this your olive branch. It may just give you the exact roadmap you need to take your brand to the next level.